tae. Joke lang. We're not going to tae. We are going to play No. Naglalaro si ate. Hindi ikaw. Balik tayo sa ura.
It's okay, come on.
Apachin.
Hey, Juntae, take a drum set.
Okay, yo. Is that true? Pamiyan na natin anuhin yung ano.
Lalaki yung pangalan ko.
Sa
You said
ito eh.
something happened in school? Oh.
Doon sa cellphone ni nanay, gumawa ko ng account doon.
Got everything
Uy,
back.
akin yun
Everyone's
account.
belongings. By delivering them all to the
Iba kasi to, luma. Luma.
Oo nga yung
Isn't that
isa.
freaking awesome?
Hindi nga yun. Iba yung sinasabi mo. Kay mama yun.
Luma.
Kay mama yun. Sa akin. Kay mama.
Hindi yung kay nanay.
Ang ingay mo. Pinagkikwentuhan ko yung kay mama.
Whoa, Juntae, that's so cool.
Marunong maintindi.
No, I just advised you and gave to me.
Sa
What advice was it?
apat lang na players.
The advice
Apat yan.
is about Newton's first law. For every positive
Nabubulunan
action,
ka.
there's a corresponding
Ba't ka na
reaction.
nabubuluran? Apaching! Apatsi!
Wow, the U-turn,
Just
man.
coming, I'm running to a falling jazz. Every little light give me butterflies. Something through my heart. Don't know if you're gonna be out alive. Fight so dirty, but your love so sweet. Talk so pretty, but your heart got deep. Late night, never put your hands on me. Never, never. Some stranger in my bed. Then if you gonna make it want me there. Coach me away. Naka-record ako. Ay, wala na ba? Ilan na lang to? 29.
Unfriend tayo.
Yeah, well, I called to see if you got home already.
Apaching! Apatsu!
So? No one
Yan! OMG, nakalimutan.
Brian Pogi ko.
Oo.
Yeah, I'm home now.
Di ba ang ganda ng account mo?
I got turned down by those
Ginawa
girls
ko yan
today.
eh.
I gave some
Nagagalit
thought.
ka pa sa akin. Imbis na
Unfriend tayo.
Anong unfriend?
Ano magkano tayo?
Girls together.
Akin na search mo. Anong pangalan? Ang hirap naman yan. HBCU. Ay.
Hindi naman yun sa akin account.
Kapay na yan.
I did all the work today.
BEU.
It wasn't so bad.
CB4. Yan.
The weather was
Yan?
nice.
Lalaro pa ako. Accept ko na lang. Ha?
Took my mind off things for the first
Maglaro ka na muna. Accept ko na lang.
wondered, how did that happen?
Kawaii.
I think it was thanks to the guys I was with.
Kawaii.
Ayan, no?
Number 60.
See?